Hey you guys, welcome back to Tigrinya Tuesday. We are back. I'm Semret Russom.
Tigrinya Tuesday.
Oh, that's right, the T. And you are?
Robil.
Robert. So we're super excited to have you guys back again to our channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button so that every Tuesday when we upload, you don't miss it. Today is a really fun day. We're gonna be talking about shopping.
I don't like shopping.
I love shopping.
Wow, what a surprise.
All right, you guys, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so today we're gonna repeat the common phrases that Robin has already learned, but we like to just remind you guys and remind him. So just the basic things, so we're gonna go over it. I'm gonna say it in English and Tigrinya, and then you're gonna repeat it in Tigrinya.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Harai.
That's right.
Wait, I'm gonna learn that right now.
That's right. All right, you ready? Yes. Harai.
Harai.
No. MB.
MB. No, MB.
Yes.
MB.
Hello. Salam.
Salam.
Thank you. Yakanyele.
Ya anyele.
Yes. Please. Bejahi.
Bejaha.
Bejaha.
And bejahi.
Yes. You're welcome. Ganzebka.
Genzebka.
Ganzebki.
And genzebki.
So kika. So goodbye Dahan Kunu.
Dehan kunu.
I'm sorry. I tahazelle.
I tahazele.
What would you say to me though? That's for a guy.
I tahazeli.
I tahazelle.
I tahazele.
Perfect. Good job. Yes. Excuse me. Yagreta.
Ya areta.
I don't understand. I tered the onion.
I tera de annen.
Yes. How much is it? Izi a kinde iya waga.
Isaiah kinde iwaga.
Perfect. Good job.
That was luck.
How much? Kinde.
Kinde.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna need to know that for shopping, right?
Yes. When? Mas.
Maas.
Where? Abe.
Abe.
Uh-huh. Why?
Y is abene.
No. Silamentai.
Silamentai.
Who? Men.
Men.
Uh-huh. What? Entai.
Entai.
How? Kame.
Kame. Like how are you?
Yes.
Kame.
Kame. All right, guys. Next, we're gonna learn new words when you go shopping. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So coin. Seldi. Sorry.
Seldi.
Dollar. Dollar.
Oh wait. Dollar
Yes.
is dollar.
Yes. Money. Genzeb.
Genzeb.
Inexpensive. Husur.
Ooh, I like that word.
Oh yeah, that's your favorite.
Hisor? Hisor. I'll remember that easily.
Gold. Worky.
Werki.
Clothes. Kadawinti.
Kadawinti.
Leather. Orbet.
Korbet.
Orbet.
Korbet.
Uh-huh. Shoes. Jama.
Jama.
Handbag. Borsa. Eid.
Borsaid.
Louis Vuitton.
Huh? What's the next one?
Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton?
Vuitton.
Hold on, what is it? Can you say it again?
Okay, great.
Louis Vuitton. Louis
Sure.
Vuitton?
I don't know. I felt on.
I felt on.
Exactly. Where is the shopping center? Abe Iu Edaga.
Abe Iu Edaga.
Where is the clothing department? Nike Dawinti Kifli Abe Yirikab.
Hold on. Nai. Kirawinti. Kifli. Abai. Yerekeb.
Oh, Nufa. Okay, so what time does the clothing shop open? Kidawinti Zigiza Alu Dukan Saat Kinde Yikifet.
Kirawinti. Zeshayatelu. Dikwan Sayat. Kinde. Yikifet.
They open at 8:30. Shomentan Faraqan Yikifet.
Shomentan Feragan Yakefet.
What time do the clothing shop close? Kidawanti zishiyatalu dikwan sa'at kinde yutso.
Kirawente zishayatelu dekwan sayat kindi yeizo.
They close at sa'at yutso.
Sayat yeizo.
I like to try this one on. Izia ka'akana midalahu.
Izea ke'ekana medelehu.
Okay, where is the book department? Naimet hafti kifli abe yirkab.
Nai mezahafti kifli abe yerekeb.
That's your favorite one.
Yep.
Where is the jewelry? Oh, that's my favorite. Inda worki bayan yirkab.
Oh, okay. Inda werki bayen yerekeb.
All right, you guys, so I'm gonna test Robiel to see if you know what I'm talking about.
Bring it.
You ready?
Bring it.
Okay, money.
Genzeb.
How about shoes?
Shoes. Chama. Am I getting cocky?
Very cocky. We're gonna see handbag.
Borsaid.
Oh my God.
Borsaid.
Good job. Whoa. Let's see. Dollar.
Dollar.
Expensive? Oh, inexpensive. Your
Good. I don't
favorite.
know expensive.
Inexpensive.
But inexpensive is Husser. Husser.
Your favorite word.
It's my favorite.
Gold.
Werki.
Oh my goodness. Clothes.
Badwanti.
No.
Dawanti. Badwanti. Bawanti.
Stop. Kidawanti.
Kiramanti.
No, Kidawanti.
Kirawenti.
Yeah, Brahmanti. What the heck is that?
Kirawenti. Kirawenti.
Kidawanti.
Kirawenti.
Good
All right,
job.
now I got it.
Yeah, Kidawanti. Leather.
Leather is corbett.
That's right. I think that's it.
All right, now pick up items and then don't say anything. Oh wait, do hat.
Oh, hat. Hat.
Hat. Kobe.
Okay.
Kobe.
Good job. And now I'm gonna show Robiel some items, and then you're gonna say it in Tigrinya. You ready?
Yes.
All right.
Harai.
Harai. Okay. Great. Let's start with these.
Ooh, chama.
Ooh, jama. That's right. And how about this?
Kobe.
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 Let's see. How about this?
Werki. Werki.
Werki. How about this?
Borsaid. Borsaid.
Let's see. Oh.
Dollar. Dollar. Hold on.
No. Cut that
Make it
off.
rain. How do you say make it rain?
I'm not teaching you that. We're not learning. None of that.
What about,
All right.
how do you say coin?
Coin?
Yeah. Oh, Seldi.
Seldi.
You're supposed to ask me.
I'm like, coin? Huh, okay. Yes, coin. Actually, Seldi.
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 Coin.
Coin. Since we don't have other stuff, what is this?
Corbett.
Huh?
Corbett.
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 Yes.
Leather.
Leather. Good job.
Thank you.
Wow.
Daniele.
Ganzepka. Nuffer. Robiel did a good job today. All right, so next I'm gonna ask you some phrases and then you say it in Tigrinya. You
All right.
ready?
Mhm.
All right,
Alright.
so how much is it?
Kinde EU waga.
Wow. I don't know, maybe we should stop Tigrinya Tuesday because
I'm too good?
You're getting too
I'm
good at it.
All right.
How much?
Kinde.
Today. That's great.
That's good. Those are important. When we go shopping, I need to be able to ask.
That's right. You need to know.
Kinde.
You want to know how much I'm spending?
The tally.
Where is the shopping center?
Abe EU Idaga.
Good job. That was perfect.
Abe EU Idaga.
Where is the clothing department?
Okay, Nai Kirawinti. Kifli. Abe. Yirakib.
Perfect. Woo! That was hard.
Yeah. My brain hurts.
But you did it.
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Are you ready for the next one?
Hold on, let me try it again.
Yeah.
Nai Kirawinti.
Yes.
Kifli Abe. Yirakab.
Yeah. It's a little hard because, as it gets longer, but you're doing great. What time do the clothing shop open?
Okay. Kirawanti, Zeshayatelo, Dekwan, Sayat, Kinde, Kifelet, Yehafet.
Good job.
Okay.
You did it. So next is they open at 8:30.
8 is Shomante.
Yes.
Shomantan, Feregan, Yehafet.
Perfect. You got it. That's right.
Give me 5.
Finally.
Give me Shadushte.
No, 5 is.
What's 5? Hamushte?
I think you have to remember your numbers. 5.
Hamushte?
Hamush tabani.
Hamushte habani.
Hamush tabani.
Hamush habani.
So next, what time do the clothing shop close?
Kirawanti, Zeshayatelo,
Yeah.
Dekwan, Sayat, Kinde, Yeejo.
You did it.
Told you I'm a good student.
Bravo. Yes, you are. Good job. They close at.
Sayat, Yeezo.
Yeah, it's ساعات.
Sayat Yeezo.
Good job. I like to try this one on.
Isaiah, Kana, Mereleku.
Perfect. Where is the book department?
Nai, Mezhefti, Kifli, Abe, Yikreb,
Yirakab.
Yirakab.
Yes.
Yirakab.
Good job.
Nai, Mezhefli,
It's hefty.
Mezhefti, Nai, Mezhefti, Kifli, Abe, Yikrab.
Yirakab.
All
Yes.
right.
Good
Where
job.
is the book department?
That's right. Where is the jewelry store?
Inda werki bayen yikreb.
Yirakab. Good job.
Inda werki bayen yirakab.
Perfect. You did it.
Thank you. Ya Aniele.
Nufur. Yes.
All right. Yigreta.
Abit.
Salam.
Salam.
Abe iyu edaga.
Edaga bezachit.
Kirawinti zishayatelo dikwan sayat kinde yikafet.
Oh, شو ما انت مفرغة؟
Ya Aniele.
كنزبتا.
Semretina.
أبيت.
Naanai nab dekwan.
وا. تحندي خا؟
Oa.
أوه، أوكي. آتينا اسمع رخيبنا يتبوتا دخداونتي.
Kela kirawinti.
Yeah.
Azeyo tsupo chama. Oh. Oh, Bella Kobe.
Ah.
Azeyo tsupo borsaid.
Oh. أبسي حكاية تقولني أدخل خابك أي أخذك حجز.
Sorry.
واو كتصبق؟ إزي أكلك أنا؟
Bella. Harai.
إزي أكلك أنا؟
Harai. Harai.
واو إزي أكلك أنا؟
Harai. Harai.
إزي أكلك أنا؟
Harai.
A few moments later.
واو إزي أكلك أنا؟
Harai.
إزي أكلك أنا؟
Harai.
واو كتصبق إزي
Haray.
ጫማ ዋው እዚኣ ከዓ ሓቅና
Haray.
ሮቤላ ገንዘብ ሃበኒ Thank you. Anele. Robila, nda worki bayn irkab.
Awadahin.
All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tigrinya Tuesday. I hope you guys have fun with us. As always, we love you guys and appreciate you. Till next time, thank you.
Ciao.
Bye. 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 Bye, guys. Thank you.